blowing candles in a little while?
Absolutely, dude.
Fuck yeah, you guys want to go see our fight? Just don't actually aim it at me, please.
So everyone,
I don't want to die.
get your iPhones up.
What is it coming? What's this? Grand finale, yeah?
Yeah. My arm's getting
Here.
I'm that short height.
Where's my camera?
Your arm's getting tired. That's why I was leaning my arm on her.
Dude, I didn't realize I have an iPhone. I can do really good video.
Oh no.
You're never even gonna look at this.
So right after the fireworks, they're starting the fucking war. Okay. They're starting the war.
Whoa. Oh, wait, hold it, because certain ones I can't watch.
Woo! Yeah, 4th of July!
Fuck yeah.
2012.
Yes.
Mother
my
trucker.
wifey.
I love you!
Love you too.
And a marshmallow.
There's a marshmallow. I look like a happy face.
You look like a happy face.
You have a happy face.
I have a happy face.
Did you see her ass tattoo?
Dude, yeah, I have a happy face on my ass. I think she saw it.
I didn't.
You didn't? Oh, I'll show you later.
I've been waiting all day, like, fuck it.
So much effort.
I got bags.
I love you.
I love you.
This is our first fireworks, you know?
Yeah.
Where'd they go?
It's still not as beautiful.
This is so much easier.
What's up, John? You have to remember, the shit's gonna pop off, but the shit pops off down there, so if we go running there, we're probably gonna get attacked.
There's always so much smoke.
So are we
down
doing
there.
this marshmallow one, by the way? Ashley
What?
and Knight. You really just flick a lit cigarette in the grass.
It's green.
It don't matter.
Yeah, it won't catch
Water,
on fire.
water evaporates in the heat.
It's just going out. It won't catch on fire.
Whoa. That's like a I'm so rich, I got a chandelier, bitch.
So I see little kids' swords in my
Right?
video.
Little kids playing around.
Can they just shoot like thousands and thousands in the air at once, or would like not be safe? Okay.
I don't know. I think it'll be fine.
Come on. Jeez.
Heart.
Yeah, got that.
I told him to do that one too. Just for
So
you.
romantic.
I know. They're supposed to write your name in the air, but I don't know if they can pull that off.
No, they didn't have the
Jeez, that one's really shiny. There's like little sperms. You see that shit?
Hey, did Apple Tree have a line going in and out of it? No? Last year, there was literally in and out of it.
Yeah, it touched your lips. Sorry.
Don't act like you didn't like it, Amanda.
And
Oh yeah.
we're like, dude, one person in.
I adore you.
This is my wifey. I love her dearly. Oh,
I love Mac McManus. She's
I
the most
love
beautiful woman in the world.
not wide. How did they get them so big? This always reminds me of Mulan.
Yeah. I understand. Okay, yeah.
You've
Like
made
we're,
your
at, we're, at,
family
we're, at
proud.
the, we're at the end, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Something is in my bra and it's poking me. Oh, I'm missing it. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
What is it?
In my bra? Oh, I don't know.
You see that keeper? Oh yeah. Oh, I'm making a marshmallow ball.
Those are kids going crazy.
It's like Play-Doh.
Kids are going to ape shit down there. How long is your video? 6 minutes? Yep, 6:20 for me. 6:16.
This is what? What? Is this 666?
No, 6:16.
What's that?
She asked how long the video was.
Oh God.
Don't look at that, baby.
Ow! Seriously, I think I caught my feet.
Oh my God. These are killing millions of people right now. Gonna get
drank.
fight it.
Drank in my cup.
Hey, don't do seats. For some person, kind of like.
Wait, everybody's not gonna leave us on water like you, are they?
Yeah, yeah. I'm just thinking.
You faded?
I'm just looking back at life right now.
And what do you see?
What I want to see is all this shit.
What better time than now? This is really sticky. I don't want it.
It's beautiful.
That's a proud man's way of saying beautiful.
Yeah. I'm ready for the grand finale. Come on.
That was it.
That
The
was
waterfall. Just kidding.
There it is. There we go.
Right
here, yeah. Grand finale, yeah. Yeah. It's on fire.
Oh no. Put your marshmallows in there.
Freedom, yeah. America, yeah. Grand finale, yeah.
They look like kissy lips.
Boobies. And then that one right there. It's Jesus. He just ejaculated.
It's a gold shower.
And 20,000 people were just born. Boom, 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 boom.
Yo, back in Ohio, shit's weak. Her Lake
There it is, right here.
some badass. Lake Havasu,
Oh, I don't doubt that.
Arizona. I never been, but that's one place I want to go.
I can imagine that though.
¡Que órale! Hija Anita.
It looks really fucking spongy. Little sperms hanging out.
Her hands are shaking.
Well, your mind's at.
They're all trying to get a womb.
Oh, there's
It's like, ah!
La gente no quiere. I got you, bitch.
Y'all trick y'all.
Giant bitch.
Really? Really, Krista? Could you be any more dramatic, bro? Oh, okay. Oh, mine just did that too. Mine just did that too.
What happened?
Mine just did that too. Low battery shit. Fuck that shit. Yeah, bitch, it's charged iPhone. Yeah.
I didn't charge it on my way here. I was
I only charged 75% this morning, afternoon. Huh? I only tried it like 7.
75% when I go home.
Yeah, it only charged up to 75%, and mine's been good.
Hell yeah.
You have to remember to take the apps off.
I have been.
We're gonna have a full conversation on the video. Us talking about charging iPhones.
It's totally okay. And low batteries.
What is that over there that's sparkling?
Finale over there.
Oh, dog, we live here. I live right there.
Is this it? Is this it?
Yeah, America! Woo! America! 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 What? America! What? Woo! Yeah!
Yes, Tim.
That was beautiful. Let's get drunk.